Assalamu alaikum, friends. How are you? I hope you're doing well, and I hope that you look forward to your next Arabic reading and translation class with some anticipation. And if that's the case, it's brilliant. Uh, you know, religion should become interesting. It indeed is interesting. There's nothing more satisfying than God's message. So let's enjoy it. Okay, today is verses 35 and 36. The same process. First, I'll recite it in Arabic. Then I'll do the translation of it twice. And then I'll read it again. And you will be by that time completely aware of what the translation is, right? Inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. When I read Arabic, please do look at the Arabic text and don't look at the translation. وَقُلْنَا يَا آدَمُ اسْكُنْ أَنْتَ وَزَوْجُكَ الْجَنَّةَ وَكُلَا مِنْهَا رَغَدًا حَيْثُ شِئْتُمَا وَلَا تَقْرَبَا هَذِهِ الشَّجَرَةَ فَتَكُونَا مِنَ الظَّالِمِينَ فَأَزَلَّهُمَا الشَّيْطَانُ عَنْهَا فَأَخْرَجَهُمَا مِمَّا كَانَا فِيهِ وَقُلْنَا اهْبِطُوا بَعْضُكُمْ لِبَعْضٍ عَدُوٌّ وَلَكُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ مُسْتَقَرٌّ وَمَتَاعٌ إِلَى حِينٍ. Okay, now let's have the translation of it. وَقُلْنَا, I'm sure you know it. وَقُلْنَا, and we said, Ya Adam, O Adam, uskun, stay, live, anta, you, wa zawjuka, and your wife, al jannata, in this garden. Jannat is garden in Arabic, in this garden. Wa kula, and you both eat. So there were two, therefore it says kula. Had it been one, it would have said kul. Wa kula, and you both eat. Minha, from it. Ragadan, without any hesitation. Haythu, from wherever. Shi'tuma, you both desire. You both wish. Wala, but don't. Taqraba, come qareeb, come close. Wala taqraba, and don't come close. Hazihi shajarata, to this tree. Don't come close to this tree. Fatakuna, lest you both should become. Don't come close to this tree, or you both will become minaz zalimin, amongst those who are unfair. Why? Because you will violate, you will go against God's command. So don't come close to this tree, fatakuna, or you will become, lest you should become minaz zalimin, from amongst those who are unfair. So what happened? Fa'azalla. Then he caused huma, the two, to slip. Who? Ash-shaytan. فَأَزَلَّهُمَا الشَّيْطَانُ. So Shaitan, Satan, caused both of them to slip. That is, to be drawn away from God's command, to ignore and violate God's command. فَأَزَلَّهُمَا الشَّيْطَانِ. So Satan caused them both to slip anha, from it. That is from God's command. فَأَخْرَجَ. So he expelled huma, both of them. Mimma, from what? Kana, they both, fihi, were in. Right? So Satan, because of what he did, he akhraja, he expelled huma, both of them. That is, caused them to go away, caused them to be expelled. Mimma, from what? Kana, they both, fihi, were in. That is, they were in the garden. And he caused them to be expelled. وَقُلْنَا, and we said, that is, God said, ihbitu, leave this place. Leave it. Badukum, some of you, libadin, for some others, aduvun, shall be enemies. Aduv, enemy. So, badukum libadin aduvu, some of you shall be enemies of others. Badukum, some of you, libadin, for some others, aduvun, shall be enemies, foes. Walakum, and for you, fil ard, in the earth, in this world, mustaqarrun, there will be a place to stay, wa mata'un, and provisions, things, ilahin, for a certain duration. That is, you will live in the world for a certain while. You what? Uncle, it's difficult today? Oh no, it's going to be absolutely simple in this second round, and you'll understand it. And by the way, there has to be some improvement. You should be able to do more and more difficult stuff now. So let me do it the second time. وَقُلْنَا, and we said, Ya Adam, O Adam, uskun, you live, anta, you, wa zawjuka, and your wife, al-jannah, in this garden. وَقُلَا, and you both eat, minha, from it, ragadan, without any restrictions. Haythu, from wherever, shi'tuma, you both desire. Wala, but don't, taqraba, don't come close. Hazihi shajara, to this tree. Don't come close to this tree. Fatakuna, lest you both should become minaz zalimin, from amongst those who are unfair. So that you both should not become amongst those who are unfair. Fa'azallah, then caused them to slip, huma, them. Fa'azallahuma, caused them both to slip, who? Ash-shaytan, shaitan. So, right, put it together. Fa'azallahuma ash-shaytan, then Satan caused them both to slip. By breaking it down into parts so that you know the meaning of each part, so that the next time this word comes and you know what its meanings are. Fa'azalla, fa, then azalla, caused to slip, huma, them both, ash-shaytan, shaitan. Put together what it means is, fa'azallahuma ash-shaytan, then Satan caused them both to slip, anha, from it, that is, from that command of tree. They don't come close to that tree. Fa'akhraja, so he expelled, caused them to be expelled. Huma, both of them. Fa'akhraja huma, so he caused both of them to be expelled. Mimma, from what? Kana, they both, fihi, were in. Waqulna, and we said, ihbitu, leave, ba'dukum, some of you, libadin, for some others, aduvun, shall be enemies. Some of you shall be enemies of others. That is, you, Adam and Eve, you are going to be the enemy of Satan, and Satan is going to be your enemy. That's what the Almighty wanted to teach both of them in that garden. That in this world, this Satan is going to be your enemy. And you know what? In comes this month of Ramadan, and Satan, gone. Going to be behind bars, imprisoned. So we'll be able to do good deeds more confidently. So, وَقُلْنَا, and we said, اهبطوا, leave, بَعْضُكُمْ لِبَعْضٍ, some of you are going to be for others, aduvun, enemies, وَلَكُمْ, and for you, fil ard, in this earth, mustaqarrun, there shall be a place to live, وَمَتَعُن, and provisions, things to use, ilahin, for a certain while. It's not going to be forever, for a certain while, for a certain time. Now let me read it again in Arabic. And obviously, look at the Arabic text and focus, and hopefully you will understand each and everything. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وقلنا يا آدم اسكن أنت وزوجك الجنة وكلا منها رغدا حيث شئتما ولا تقربا هذه الشجرة فتكونا من الظالمين فأزلهما الشيطان عنها فأخرجهما مما كانا فيه وقلنا اهبطوا بعضكم لبعض عدو ولكم في الأرض مستقر ومتاع إلى حين. صدق الله العظيم. Have a nice time. Do well in your school, in your Ramadan. Enjoy your life, but keep reading and understanding the Quran. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.